Good morning everybody, welcome back. I hope you had a lovely weekend. I was lucky enough to have a little day by the seaside on Sunday, which was wonderful. I have one notice, and this is from Mrs. Bain, who of course, and along with me to support that, must emphasise the importance of reading, widely and for pleasure, right? Choose lots of different types of book, try not to read the same subject matter all the time. I remind you that you do need a book when you go to your tutor period. You'll be able to take books away from the library this week because of our bubbles. It's going to be on different days. Monday is year 6, Tuesday is year 4, Wednesday year 3, Thursday year 7 and 8, and Friday year 5. So that's our notices for the week. I'd like to talk to you today about encouragement. It's so important that we encourage everybody, and we encourage ourselves as well. So what I'd like you to do now quickly is just to think of a, let's say, I don't know, a running race, or you're just about to go on stage, or you're just about to do an academic test, something like that. How are you feeling? Are you feeling confident, or are you dreading the very moment that the examiner says start the test, or the ready, set, go, or the curtain comes up? But you will be nervous, or you'll be really looking forward to it, or somewhere in between. So here we go. The race is running. The play is performing. The test has started, and you're going through the emotions of that test. All right, it's done. You've gone through the tape at the end of your race. The curtain has come down, or the examiner has said stop writing. How do you feel? Well, let's have a look. Maybe the race went, really well, and somebody comes up to you, they put their arm around your shoulders and go, well run, that was tremendous. Or you get your marks back and the teacher says, that was really very good indeed. Or maybe huge amounts of applause, and whoever directed the play comes up and says, great performance, well done. Or how about this? Somebody comes up to you and says, well, you ran very well, but you didn't quite get your personal best. Well done in that test. Could have done a bit better in question 6 or on the stage. Well, that was a great performance. Oh, you missed a note though in the 3rd song. Which one would you prefer to hear? Yeah, of course, we all like to be encouraged, and that's what I want you to do. I want you to encourage each other as we work through this week and through the year. It's most important that you understand what encouragement means. Let me give you a little sort of definition. The action of giving someone support, confidence or hope. It is the action of cheering someone up, uplifting them. By encouraging others, we are giving them courage. You can hear it in the words. We are helping their self-esteem, belief in themselves that they can keep going and get on through whatever their difficulties. Ever seen the London Marathon? You remember those people who are trawling around the streets of London? Listen to all that applause and cheering, and you can see how that's helping. Imagine that everybody carries an invisible bucket, a bucket of their own self-esteem, how they feel about themselves. Now, if you encourage them, you fill their buckets, and you make them feel good, and you help their self-esteem. But on the other hand, if you say nasty things to them, or, oh, that wasn't quite good enough, you empty their bucket. Think. You're a bucket filler or a bucket emptier. I also want you to think about how you treat yourself. Do you beat yourself up when you get the slightest thing wrong? Or are you naturally positive and, well, I gave it my best. I know which one I want you to do. I want you to be the latter. I want you to be that person who says to themselves, I did my best. That's what I do. I'm not perfect, but I always try and say, did I do my best? I'm disappointed with myself if I don't try hard. So, this week, encourage yourself, encourage others, be proud of what you can do, don't be harsh on yourself about what you can't do. Encourage others by filling up their buckets, by being nice. If you're going to say something to someone which isn't pleasant, which isn't nice, don't. If you haven't anything positive to say, don't say it. Focus on one good thing rather than worrying about what you can't do. Thank you.